For this video lesson, we will talk about reference angle. So when we say reference angle, it is the smallest possible angle made by the terminal side of the given angle with the x-axis. Again, when we say reference angle, it is always an acute angle except when it is exactly 90 degrees. And reference angle is always positive, irrespective of which side of the axis is it falling. Okay, and we have here a table stating the rules for the reference angle in each quadrant. So we have here the quadrant, the angles, and then we have the reference angle formula if that is given in degrees, ito yun. And we have also the reference angle formula if the angle is given is in radian form. So in quadrant 1, if theta lies between 0 to 90 degree, the formula kapag degree ang given is theta. So, ibig sabihin, kung napansin ninyo na ang given ay an acute angle, automatically, the reference angle is the angle itself. Like, for example, 30 degrees. 30 degrees din ang kanyang reference angle. Same with if the given angle is in radian measure. So, theta lang din siya. In quadrant 2, the theta lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. And the formula for that is 180 degrees minus the theta. And in radian formula naman, in radian form, so pinalitan lang natin yung 180 natin into pi. So parehas lang din yan sila. In quadrant 3, the theta lies between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. So meaning, for the formula, theta minus 180 degrees. Again ha, theta here is the given angle. And again, ito naman ang formula natin if the given is in radian form. For the quadrant 4, the theta lies between 270 degrees and 360 degrees. And the formula for that is reference is equal to 360 degrees minus the given angle. And same this within pag ang given natin ay radian measure, pinalitan lang natin ng 360 degrees into 2 pi. Let's have an example. Give the measure of the reference angle for each angle in standard position. So, number 1, we have 68 degrees. For first step, find the location of your angle. So, we have 68 degrees. And we know that 68 degrees is an acute angle and this one is located in quadrant 1. And in quadrant 1, if we're going to look at the formula, this one is in quadrant 1 and the formula for the reference angle is equal to the theta given or the angle given. So, meaning, sulat natin ang formula, reference angle is equal to the value of the given angle. So, ibig sabihin, your reference angle now is equal to 68 degrees. Okay, let's have number 2. Okay, number 2 is 185 degrees. First step, find the location of your angle. 185 degrees is located in quadrant 3. And the formula for finding the reference angle in quadrant 3, we have the reference angle is equal to the theta given or the angle given minus 180 degrees. Okay, let's substitute. Reference angle is equal to the angle given is 185 degrees minus 180 degrees. Reference angle is equal to 185 minus 180, we have 5 degrees. Meaning, the reference angle of 185 degrees is equal to 5 degrees. Let's have number 3. For number 3, we have 160 degrees. Again, first step, know the location of the angle given. So, 160 degrees is located in quadrant 2. And the formula for finding the reference angle in quadrant 2, we have reference angle is equal to 180 degrees minus the angle given. So, let's substitute. 180 degrees minus the angle given is 160 degrees. Okay, 180 minus 160, that is equal to 20 degrees. Therefore, The reference angle of 160 degrees is equal to 20 degrees. How about number 4? Let's have negative 100 degrees. This one is a negative angle, so hindi mo agad siya masosolve using yung formula natin kasi naka-negative. Diba? Sabi nga, reference angle is always positive. So, to get the reference angle, kailangan kunin mo muna ang coterminal angle of negative 100. Okay, we need to find the coterminal angle. Okay. To find the coterminal angle of negative 100, kung siya ay negative angle, magpa-plus ka lang ng 360 degrees. Okay, we have negative 100 plus 360 degrees yan. And when we simplify that result to 260 degrees. So this one now is the coterminal angle of negative 100. Since they are coterminal, meaning they have the same terminal sides. So, ibig sabihin, if they have the same terminal sides, they have the same reference angle. So, from this one, kukunin natin ang reference angle ng negative 100 degrees since parehas lang naman sila ng magiging reference angle. So, let's find the reference angle. Okay, using 260 degrees. Okay, again, balik tayo. What is the first step? Find the location of 260 degrees. And this one is located in quadrant 3. And for finding the reference angle in quadrant 3, the formula for that is equal to 200. Wait. So, the formula for that is the angle given minus 180 degrees. Okay, so let's substitute. The angle given is 260 degrees minus 180 degrees. And let's simplify. 260 minus 180 degrees, that is equal to 80 degrees. Meaning, the reference angle of negative 100 degrees is equal to 80 degrees. Let's proceed to example number 5. Okay, number 5, we have also a negative angle. We have negative 350 degrees. Again, if that is a negative angle, kailangan mo muna kunin ang coterminal angle ng negative 350 degrees. And to find that, since negative angle siya, magpa-plus ka ng 360 degrees. We have negative 350 degrees plus 360 degrees. So, that is equal to 10 degrees. And sabi natin, since they are coterminal angles, they have the same terminal sides, yung location nila. Therefore, kung ano ang reference angle nito, yun din ang magiging reference angle nitong 350 degrees natin. Itong 350 degrees. Since this one is an acute angle, automatically, the reference angle of negative 350 degrees is 10 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, our reference angle is equal to 10 degrees. Basta acute angle ang magiging result ng coterminal angles mo, automatically, yun na agad ang magiging reference angle. Yeah, let's have number 6, 505 degrees. Okay. Yung 505 degrees natin is more than 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, yung formula natin, pag ginamit natin, magkakaroon tayo ng ibang sagot. So, para masunod natin yung rule, we need to find first, kapag ganito lagi ang gagawin, kapag sumobra sa 360 degrees yung magiging, yung given na angle natin, lagi mo munang kunin ang coterminal angle. So, let's find the coterminal angle. Since this one is a positive angle, this time, magsusubtract naman tayo ng 360. So, 505 degrees minus 360 degrees. And that is equal to 145 degrees. Again, since the coterminal angle, kung ano ang reference angle nito, yun din ang magiging reference angle nitong 505 degrees natin. So, from 105, kukunin natin ang reference angle ni 505 degrees. Okay, using 145 degrees. So let's have the first step. Find the location of that 145 degrees. And that is located in quadrant 2. In quadrant 2, the formula for finding the reference angle is equal to 180 degrees minus the given angle. So, reference angle is equal to 180 degrees minus the given angle is 145 degrees. And to simplify that, the reference angle now is equal to 35 degrees. So, meaning, the reference angle of 505 degrees is equal to 35 degrees. Okay, let's proceed to number 7. We have negative 580 degrees. So, this one, may negative ulit tayo. Actually, pag negative number siya, ang gagawin mo lagi is find the coterminal angle. So, yun ang gawin natin. Let's find the coterminal angle. Since this one is a negative angle, ibig sabihin magpa-plus 360 tayo. So, we have negative 580 degrees plus 360 degrees. The result of that is a negative 220 degrees. Again, in finding the coterminal angle, ang hinahanap natin dito is always a positive coterminal angle para magamit natin yung formula natin. Since this one is a negative angle, magpa-plus pa ulit ako ng 360 degrees to negative 220 degrees para magkaroon ako ng positive coterminal angle. So, ito yan. And the result of this one is equal to 140 degrees. Since meron na akong positive coterminal angle, I can use this now to find the coterminal angle of negative 580 degrees. Since sila nga ay coterminal, parehas lang ang magiging reference angle nila. So, let's find the reference angle. Okay, using 140 degrees. Again, first step ulit, find the location of your 140 degrees. And this one is located in quadrant 2. And to find the reference angle sa quadrant 2, ang formula natin in quadrant 2 is 180 degrees minus the given angle. So, that is, so 180 degrees, ang given angle natin is 140 degrees. And to simplify that, our reference angle is equal to 40 degrees. Meaning, the reference angle of negative 580 degrees is equal to 40 degrees.